Hi, this is Norma Galloway. I'm going to be organizing a closet today in my guest room. So I'm going to give you a look at what this closet looks like in the meantime. So right now, the closet is pretty full. It has a lot of coats and some garments, bags and things like that. So this is where I store like winter clothes and stuff like that. So see, it's a little messy in here. And I have some shoes down here. Boots and shoes and clothing and luggage. And then I'm going to reorganize it. So stay tuned so you can see just how easy it is to rethink your space and kind of get it in shape without going through a lot of hassle of buying different storage systems, things like that, because you don't need to buy anything different. You just need to utilize what you have better. So stay tuned for the end of the video, and please join me and watch me at work. Thanks. Thank you for staying and watching. I'm going to be taking some things out of the closet and just sorting through them and grouping things together. I like to put my sweaters together. Some things I don't put on hangers if I think it may lose its shape. So you can decide if it's a heavy sweater or something, you may want to fold that item. In this closet, I have room on the top shelf now that I've taken everything out to store my tall boots and some short boots that I do wear often. And just clear up the clutter that I had in this closet and kind of get it more pleasing to my eye so that I can see what I have in my closet, and when I'm looking for something, it's easier for me to locate it. And I'm going to place the shoes on the top shelf. You always want to be careful of putting shoes on the top shelf because you have clothes hanging underneath and you don't want the debris to fall on your clothes. So I'm going to be using some shoe covers for the shoes that I put on the top. Now, if you have a shelf that you can put on these wire shelving systems, you can use that so that it can keep the dirt from falling down on the clothing. I may rethink the space again. Right now I'm just trying to have a starting point so I can decide how I want it to look. So I will show you in this video just how easy it is to kind of come up with a plan that makes it work for you. So you have to decide what you need in your closet and what makes it functional for you. So this closet I use because it's an extra closet in the house. I can use this closet to store my winter garments. I have sweaters, jacket, heavy coats, boots, sneakers, and things of that nature, all in one closet. So when I'm looking to get dressed, I know where things are and I don't have to go all over the house trying to figure out where my stuff is. So that's what I am doing now. So thank you for watching again. My name is Norma Galloway. My business is Savvy Zen Organizer. I am a professional organizer here in Charlotte, North Carolina. And if you are interested in seeing more videos, you can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Okay, thank you. Continue watching, please. Don't forget to like and share this channel. Have a good day. You have these like shoe covers. A pair of boots that you wear often. So you can do it this way. Just take your boots.